Hey guys, welcome back to the channel. So today I got you a very cool and funny product from my partner Minisopuru. This is the new AIRGLIDE touchless gesture control stand. And this is basically allows you to control your iPhone, iPad or any other Bluetooth device with gestures for that moments when you are too busy or with your hands dirty without touching the device. So today I'm gonna test it with my iPhone and also with my iPad Pro, but first let's open the box and see what's inside. And we got, of course, the instructions guide, then the AIRGLIDE itself, and we'll get there in a minute, and we also get a USB-C cable to charge the device. And of course we got the AIRGLIDE itself. The top of the AIRGLIDE is metal and the base seems to be plastic. However, as with all Minisopuru products, the build detail is premium. The finished details are quite good. I will give you an in-depth detail about the features of this AIRGLIDE, but you can see already this support as a 360 degrees rotation stand. On the front we can see a simple power button, an LED battery light and an LED Bluetooth light. Simple as that. So, and as I say earlier, let's give it a go with an iPhone and also with an iPad, but before let's give a quick tour from the main features of this AIRGLIDE. And so, the AIRGLIDE allows you to control your device with 4 different gestures: swing left, swing right, pause 1 second and pause 5 seconds, ideal for apps like TikTok. It's really easy to pair with Bluetooth and also recognize gestures up to 15 centimeters of distance. It's compatible of course with iOS and Android and up to 11 inches tablets. However, I think there's a small error here because on the box it says allows up to 12.9 inches, but I will test with my 12.9 iPad Pro and we will see that. It's really light and really small, which makes it super easy to transport everywhere. Preparation and the configuration is also very simple, but I will demonstrate that ahead in the video too. It has a strong load bearing capacity and also a design that allows the devices to stay cool when on the support, instead of other devices that have a flat and closed metal base that doesn't allow the devices to cool off, and also has some unstable support. And it charges via USB-C port and gives you up to 45 hours of use with a single charge. So finally, let's put this thing to the test. I have my iPhone 12 here, so let's power on the AIRGLIDE and give it a go. And to use it, it's pretty simple. Turn on the Bluetooth on your device and simply look for the AIRGLIDE. Once paired, you need to go to Accessibility, then Touch, then turn on the Assisted Touch, then scroll down to Sensibility and adjust it to around 20% or until you see the black dot in the top center of the phone. This last part, do it with the phone already on the stand. And you are done and ready to use the AIRGLIDE. If you have any problems in this stage, go back to the settings and adjust the sensibility to get the best result possible. Now let's try with the monster iPad and see if it works too. Maybe because it is in landscape mode, the gestures is now up and down instead of left and right, but it works perfect as well. In fact, I rotate the iPad and it now turns to the normal operation left and right mode. As you can see, this stand is pretty well built, really steady, even with a 12.9 high pad on top, so definitely it can handle big boys without a problem. So, in the end, it's a funny product, but also can be very interesting product when you have your hands dirty or busy, so you can control your smartphone or tablet without touching it. I think it's pretty cool. So, and what is my final conclusion? It's a pretty funny product. I test here as a tech product for a tech guy, but you can use it for cooking, for painting, even for a mechanic, whatever. It's a fact that it's pretty cool and clever idea from Minisopuru. Not perfect, of course, but the quality, like all the Minisopuru products, it's top notch, always amazing. I don't have an Android device to test, but I'm pretty sure that will work just fine. As always, in my reviews, if you are interested in get one of these, all the links are in the description below. And this is all for today. If you have any doubts, feel free to leave in the comments. As always, thanks for watching, see you in the next one.